After Bitcoin, Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency. However, unlike Bitcoin and most other virtual currencies, Ethereum is intended to be much more than a medium of exchange or a store of value. Ethereum refers to itself as a decentralized computing network based on blockchain technology. Let's understand more about Ethereum in this video. Ethereum is an open-source software platform that developers can use to create cryptocurrencies and other digital applications. The cryptocurrency associated with this platform is Ether. Now, let's have a look at evolution of Ethereum. Many programmers and entrepreneurs were instrumental in founding Ethereum. But most of the credit goes to Vitalik Buterin and Gavin Wood. In 2013, Vitalik Buterin, a co-founder of Bitcoin magazine, published a white paper highlighting different ways of improving Bitcoin. After his proposal failed to gain traction, he began building his own platform where he planned to address those shortcomings. To realize his vision, in 2014, he raised money for this venture with a crowdsourcing campaign that sold over $18 million worth of tokens called Ether. In 2015, the developers launched Ethereum, creating its Genesis block on July 30th. Today, we take help of intermediaries to accomplish all sorts of digital tasks. Gmail, for instance, helps us send emails. WhatsApp is used to send messages. This means that our personal data, financial information, and digital activities are all largely stored in clouds and servers owned by companies like Facebook, Google, or Microsoft. But this centralized structure means less direct control for users, and it also opens up opportunities for censorship, where the intermediary can step in and restrict users' action. The idea of Ethereum is to change how apps on the internet work today, giving users more control by replacing intermediaries with smart contracts that execute rules automatically. While Bitcoin was created with the goal of disrupting online banking and day-to-day transactions, Ethereum's creators aim to use the same technology to replace internet third parties. Ethereum uses blockchain technology, just like Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin limits its use of the technology to the creation and distribution of its digital currency. In contrast, the platform of Ethereum is available to outside developers to create their own blockchain applications. Some developers refer to this platform as the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM. Just like Bitcoin, miners use proof-of-work consensus mechanism to validate these blocks before committing them to the public ledger. Each transaction comes with a fee, called gas, which is paid by the user initiating the transaction. That fee is paid to the miner, who validates the transaction, thereby incentivizing future mining and ensuring network security. Ethereum operates through the use of smart contracts. A smart contract is a piece of computer code that establishes the terms of a contract and ensures that the parties involved follow those terms. Without the use of a third-party intermediary, blockchain technology enables two parties to initiate and carry out a smart contract between themselves. Smart contracts are transparent and unchangeable, making it impossible for one party to later change the terms of the contract. While traditional business software is controlled by the maker of the software, smart contracts can involve any number of players located anywhere in the world thanks to blockchain technology. However, the actual smart contract is not distributed throughout the network to all of the computers but is stored on the server of the smart contracts creator. Smart contracts are created by developers to run their applications. These applications are known as decentralized applications, or dApps, because they run on a decentralized network. Smart contracts, despite their name, are only as good as their underlying computer code. Even if the code's author makes a mistake, the smart contract will still follow its instructions to the letter. The outcome could be a minor bug, or it can be exploited by hackers. Outside developers are welcome to use the Ethereum blockchain to create smart contracts. The smart contract has the ability to generate a new digital asset known as a token, which can be used as digital currency in conjunction with the application. In contrast to the Bitcoin blockchain, which is solely dedicated to Bitcoin, the Ethereum blockchain is home to an infinite number of digital currencies, including Tether, Maker, and Chainlink, in addition to its native currency, Ether. The newly created smart contract not only creates the new token, but it also manages the token's transactions. During the initial coin offering of a new token, or ICO, the general public can purchase a token with Ether. A problem quickly arose as independent developers started creating smart contracts and issuing their tokens. The Ethereum blockchain was compelled to communicate with each token differently. To address the issue, Ethereum introduced a community standard for new tokens called ERC20. ERC20 specifies 6 mandatory requirements that tokens must fulfill in order to be designated as an ERC20 token. Because of this standardization, token creation process has now been simplified further. When a cryptocurrency's protocol is upgraded, the term fork is used. There are 2 types of forks, soft forks and hard forks. Soft forks represent minor changes, whereas hard forks represent large-scale changes. Ethereum's first hard fork resulted in the Ethereum community splitting into 2 separate camps. In 2016, a hacker stole more than $50 million worth of Ether that had been raised for the Ethereum project, called the DAO. A section of developers stepped in and altered the Ethereum protocol to stop the hack. While the move was successful, hardliners felt that the developers had violated the essence of decentralized network. As a result, they refused to accept the new protocol and remained with the original. The blockchain running the original protocol is now called Ethereum Classic. The blockchain with the hard forked protocol became the new Ethereum.